system sa South Forbes. So medyo malapit lang sa atin. Sa ano tayo? Tokyo Mansion. Basic sounds and lights with projector. Yan. So magagamit na natin yung ating bagong biling luma second hand na Epson projector. Wow! Ito sa likod, nasa harapan. Yo, so samahan nyo kami guys. Good thing kasi mayroong shortcut papunta dito sa amin. Pero kung galing pa kayo ng Manila, bandang ano siya, Santa Rosa. No, Calax ang daan. Pero sa amin may shortcut. So yun, mas mabilis. Siguro mga 20 minutes lang. Yan, so dito yung daan natin, shortcut. Let's go. Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa Tokyo Mansion Clubhouse. So magbababa na tayo ng gamit. Medyo maganda yung venue natin. Nakasetup na yung catering natin. Okay, so setup na tayo guys. Dito tayo nagsasak ng kuryente. Lagyan natin ng EBR yung ating speakers. So ito yung venue natin. Ito yung stage. So yung ilaw dun banda. Ating widescreen projector dyan. Ayun. Nabubuksan. Sakto. Kulang lang may power.
We are about to start the program in just a few minutes. Meanwhile, we would like to announce that the food carts are still open po. You can still go at the food carts while ongoing yung program natin later. Alright, and enjoy it guys, especially the kids. You can bring your food here on your tables. Okay, so if you have your kids there with you, mommies and daddies, please. And tell the kids to go here in front because we will start the program in just a few minutes. Alright? So I want all the kids to get ready because later we will be having some games. Alright, also, you're going to watch an amazing magic show happening only here on Lucas' first birthday. So, for you to get ready, guys. Alright, you must sit here in front. Okay, and I will request everyone to please stay until the end of the program. Marami tayong gagawin this afternoon. Also, the ninongs and the ninangs, please prepare. Because later, please welcome the birthday family. Daddy Marlon, Mommy Marlon, and the birthday boy, Lucas! Palakpak na may kasamang sigaw! Alright, there you go, the birthday party. Any kind. Bring me an ID. Go! Oh, wait, yung mga coins dito muna. So, bring me nail cutter. Go! Nail cutter! Who has a nail cutter? What's your name?
Skyler.
Ito mo yung nail cutter na dala ni Skyler. Skyler, because of the nail cutter, you win a prize. Congratulations. Get your prize there. Thank you so much. Another. Bring me. Make it faster, guys. This side here. Or putting block. There. Alright. Isa lang dapat. Isang piraso lang. Make sure to get one piece of white hair only. Okay, pag dalawa, hindi tatanggapin. So, yan. Congratulations! Wow! Ayan. Sayang, may nalaman siya. Sige, bigyan na rin natin silang dalawa. Okay, 2 prizes. What's your name? Ayun nga pala, si Eleanor. Okay. Here's your white hair. Pakibalik, baka hanapin. And get your prize. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Eleanor. And, meron din siya. Sige, bigyan na rin natin siya. Ayan. Okay. Ito, may dala rin siyang white hair. Sayang naman. Alright. So this time, I only need, sige, parang marami yung magdadala yun, no? Sige. So this time, the first 3 kids na magdadala dito will be the winner. Okay, I want you to bring me your beautiful and sexy mommy. Go! Ayan. 2, isa na lang. Tapos, and, ayun, 3. Sige, 4. Okay na yan. Okay, 4. 5. Sige, tanggapin na natin. Kaya naman, ha? Kaya pa ng prizes natin. Okay. So, lilinawin ko lang muna. Ang sabi ko po kanina, magdala po, hindi po mag-volunteer. Biro lang. Tanongin mo natin yung pangalan ng mga beautiful and sexy mommies natin. Pangalan ko, ma'am?
Bonnie.
Ayan si Ma'am Bonnie yung nag-prayer kanina. Ma'am?
No.
Taga saan po kayo, ma'am?
Kainta.
Kainta? Ay, manayan si ma'am. Pabati po sa mga taga-Kainta. Ayun po yung camera, nanonood po sila. Okay. Pangalan po?
Eddie.
From? Dito lang. The Magic Show. Mommy Arian and Daddy Angel. First,
Nang pumunta galing yung mga malalayo. Thank you pagpunta dito sa bago naming negosyo. Ay, sobrang dami nila. Pero kasi lahat ng invite talaga namin is talagang special sa amin. No, so sobrang thank you sa pagpunta kahit alam kong napakainit saka napakalayo. Sobrang salamat. Ay, baka umiyak.
big message from Ray Lucas. Yan, malakpakan mo natin again, Daddy Angel. And Mommy Arian, if you're waiting for
Sabi nga nila, di ba, kapag binigyan ka ng first child mo na lalaki, ibig sabihin na sa'yo mo na genuine lang. So, ito ko lang gawin kayo.
Life is beautiful because God created life and He wants all of us to be happy. Enjoy life to the full. Enjoy it, but with God, in God, and for God.
Welcome to the Christian world and happy first birthday, Lupa. So, nakasubaybay naman ako sa paglakad mo. Ina-assure ko naman sa mga nagpapa. So, yun.
At the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yan! Tapos pag nakuha nyo makibalik dito. Thank you, man. Thanks so much, kids. Tuloy nyo lahat, Thanks so much, everyone. Maraming salamat sa ating our host. And your magician for today is Reggie. God bless everyone. And we have to dive in sa pag-uwi. Okay, well, thanks so much.
Alright guys, so tapos na yung event natin. Ayan, successful event kahit medyo na-late tayo ng mag-start. Ayan. So, konting music na lang, tapos back up na tayo guys. Ito nga. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe guys. 2K's Lights and Sounds. Our Facebook page, silang Cavite Lights and Sounds.